Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how we can use this for your kitchen racks. See here, I have already applied half of the portion for my kitchen cabinet, and this is the waterproof sheet, means self-adhesive in the sense there is gum within the sheet only, no need to apply any external gum, and directly we need to peel off and place it on the floors over the tile surface, and it will stick to the cement surface also. For example, if your kitchen cabinet is of something like cement thing, at that point also it will be getting stick. And I even applied on this granite thing, and there also it got stick, but granite it will be somewhat like slippery, but on tiles it is perfect. And this I applied this sticker like 6 months back. This was the pending. Now I'll open the sheet and I'll show you how you can use it, means how you can apply it, so that you may also try. I have purchased this on the Flipkart, and this is the single sheet, right? Like this 7 sheets I got for like 500 rupees. I'll attach the product. If you want, you can check it. Okay, I'll open this and I'll yes, this is the bundle what I received on the Flipkart. Here, this is the Flipkart. So now I'll show you the tutorial purpose how you can stick it here. Yeah, first I need to peel off this plastic coated sticker over it. Just remove that. Yeah, this is the sheet. Once I wrap it, first of all I need to take the measurement. See, I covered everything, the whole cabinet here. Likewise, I'll also do it here. The first thing I'm going to do is take necessary sheet with the length of the cabinet, and then with the help of the scissor, I'll just cut it first, then I'll apply. Yeah, see here, I have just placed the sheet all over the floor, and this is the marking point. So what I'll do is I'll just start cutting this from this end. So I'll cut it first. Yeah, this is how I made the piece out of the bundle here. And now I'm going to remove the sticker here. There will be self-adhesive gum, and I'll show you. I peel off this back part and I'll stick it here. Yeah, see here, this white part and this black sticker will be attached here. With your nails you need to peel off this like this. Once you peel off this, you will be getting like this. What you need to do is uh, completely you need to remove from one part here. Yeah, here like this, just only small part. Okay, don't overtake this one, because your sheet will be wasted. Now here, yeah, see here, I just made it stick like this, the whole part here. And now from the bottom, yeah, this is how it is got stuck here. And we need to peel off this back sticker like this, and we need to stick it like this. Likewise, you need to just, it is very simple, but it is better if you have two persons with you when doing this action. Yeah, it is very simple. See here, the action is simple. The back cover you need to just peel off from the back, and you just need to attach like this, just with the finger only, with my hand only. I'm just making it possible. See here, yeah. Slow glove. Yeah, it is very simple. See here, the action is simple. The back cover you need to just peel off from the back, and you just need to attach like this, just with the finger only, with my hand only. I'm just making it possible. See here, yeah. Yeah, this is what the final output what it is looking like once I apply all this marble look-alike self-adhesive waterproof sheet. So please do comment how is the final output. Yeah, this is the final output. The complete look and feel of my kitchen cabinet along with the kitchen has now completely changed. Yeah, please do comment your opinion.